Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable weights and biases integration with PyTorch training. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a weights and biases account. Visit the weights and biases website and sign up for a free account if you don't have one yet. Next, install the weights and biases library in your Python environment. You can do this by running the command pip install wandb in your terminal or command prompt. Once the installation is complete, import the library in your Python script. Add the following line at the beginning of your script: import wandb. Now, initialize a weights and biases run. Insert the code wandb.init right before your training loop starts. You can add specific configurations or project names by using wandb.init, project equals your _project _name. Next, set up your PyTorch model and training parameters as you normally would. During the training loop, log your metrics with weights and biases. After calculating your loss and accuracy, use wandb.log to record these values. For example, you can write wandb.log loss.item accuracy. Make sure to call this logging function at regular intervals, like after each epoch. If you want to track additional parameters like hyperparameters, you can set them up at the beginning. For example, add wandb.config.learning_rate equals 0.001 to log your learning rate. As the training progresses, you can monitor your results in real time on the weights and biases dashboard. After training has finished, optionally call wandb.finish to mark the end of your run. That's it. You've successfully enabled weights and biases integration with your PyTorch training. You can now analyze your training metrics and optimize your model further using the tools provided by weights and biases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.